All right, so we have solve the following logarithmic equation. Be sure to reject any value of x that is not in the domain of the original logarithmic expression. Give the exact answer. So we have log base 2 of x plus 5, the quantity of x plus 5, equals to 3. So we're going to convert this into exponential form. Okay, so we go back to our definition where we have the log by itself on one side, and then we're going to convert this in exponential form. So our base is what here? 2. Our power would be 3, and it's equal to x plus 5. And let's solve. 2 cubed, we have 8 is equal to x plus 5. And when we solve for x, we're going to subtract 5 to both sides. And we have x is equal to 3. Now, we want to go back and check our work. I want to see if 3 is the solution to this. So where I see x, I'm going to substitute 3. So we have log base 2 of 3 plus 5 is equal to 3. Add 3 and 5, we have 8. And then if you, well not if, but converting this in exponential form, you have here 2 cubed is equal to 8. And we know 2 cubed is 8. So we have 8 is equal to 8. So that is a true statement. Therefore, our solution is 3. Next example, we have here log base 2 of the quantity of x plus 3 equals to negative 2. So let's write this in exponential form. So you have here the base 2 raised to the negative 2 power equals to x plus 3. 2 to the negative 3 power. What must we do? Remember, take its reciprocal. It's not negative 4. We need a positive exponent. So take the reciprocal. The base of 2 stays the same, but this exponent of negative 2 becomes positive. And then we have 1 over 4 is equal to x plus 3. We're going to subtract 3 to both sides. And let's go ahead, for time's sake, let's go ahead and put this information into our calculator. So I'm going to bring the calculator back up here. Let's clear what I have. So we have here 1 divided by 4. I'm going to press enter, then minus 3. And we get negative 2.75. But remember, we do not want our answer to be in decimal form. Okay, so let's write it as a fraction. So click on your math button and you see the first item on that list is fraction. So we're going to convert that to a fraction. Press enter and then press enter again, and we have negative 11 over 4. Now, it said that our logarithm, our m component, okay, is, we want to exclude negative numbers or 0, but we need to check and each. Sometimes our answer can be negative as long as it makes this statement true. Okay, so let's say we check our work. We have log base 2 of, I'm going to substitute negative 11 over 4, add 3 to that to see if it's going to give us negative 2. So let's compute negative 11 fourths plus 3. We already know what that's going to give us, but plus 3. Take our answer, put plus 3. That gives us 1/4. So log base 2 When we add negative 11 over 4 plus 3, that gives us a positive 1/4. So this will be our solution. It does yield a positive um, number here. Well, it's called our m, equals to -2. So we can continue checking, write this in exponential form. Oh, sorry about that. I have the calculator in the way. Write this in exponential form. 2 to the -2 power equals to 1/4. And we know what 2 to the -2 will result in. And we have 1/4 as our solution. As long as whenever we substitute, yes, we can have a negative answer, but whenever we substitute, if this part that I have circled is still negative, then there is no solution. There's negative or 0.